Hello, Sparklers. Welcome back to GlamQueenofDIY. And here today, I'm just giving you an overview of what my space is looking like. But before we jump into more details of that, if this is your first time tuning in, welcome. Now, today's video, we are actually taking down all of my other things from Christmas. You guys, I want to thank y'all for all of the prayers and well wishes. I just been struggling health-wise for about the last 6 months, very tremendously, and I want to thank y'all for all of y'all love and support. So we are we pulled bedding off, and I'm just fin to attempt to get everything back in order, but I'm just going to let you see what we are working with. We've already taken down, excuse the toilet lid from being up, but we've already taken down some of the stuff here at the shower. And we're just going to get ready, and we've pulled all the bedding off the beds. So we're washing, we're still doing laundry, and got a few things here on the bed, but we pulled out everything. All of these are Christmas totes. This is all of the stuff that didn't get put out, so we're going to just de-Christmasize the house. They've already taken the other trees and put them back out in the building. Like I said, we're doing laundry, and I've already cleared the table with the trees. I got some more stuff sitting in the living room, you guys, but just letting you see all of my shenanigans that I got out, and we're gonna see what we're going with. We're still here in the living room, you guys. Gonna turn on the light. See, we stripped the tree, and again we have 3 totes here. We have Christmas stuff in the corner, all back. We got Christmas stuff everywhere, you guys. Once again, I'm doing laundry, and we're just trying to clear up everything. You guys, this is 2, because we had one room we was gonna put the Santas, and we have probably 10 Santas that didn't get to make a debut this year, but we just got stuff everywhere. These are our Christmas trees. These are more Christmas trees. We have Santas. We have stuff here. We have the gnomes. We got 2 totes of gnomes, you guys, but we're just fin to get everything started and cleaning. And we have these. You're gonna see the final video for the sponsorship for that too, you guys. So that being said, we're gonna finish up our shenanigans. I'm gonna take you along the way with me, and this is gonna be just a whole. Alright, family, we've gotten a tree down, and we still got a few more Christmas things to take out, but this is what we looking like. We got almost all of the clothes folded, and I'm doing this in stages. My help is gone, but we're gonna move this out. We still gotta take all of this out. I gotta have more totes, and those are curtains, and we've worked in there, and we still have this to do. Our only thing is we took out all of the Christmas stuff, you guys. All of the bedding, this is all clean stuff here. And I always keep one tote that houses a lot of my tablescape stuff that's going to go in the building as well. But this is where we at, and I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and wipe this room out and redo it. We're bringing TT's pink and gold in the room, or pink and cream, but we're going to bring in her pink. And this is what we have still here in the space here. But like I say, no more totes. All of the totes, all of the trees are in, and we're getting ready to move all of the picks and change this back out. So that's where we gotten, and it's getting late in the day, but we're going to at least finish the living room, the kitchen, and the bathroom for today. And to you guys, here comes the reveal. And I did not do the clean and decorate with me because we still had so much stuff. So I'm just going to let you see my clean space. And this is my after Christmas 2022 look for my living room. Make sure you come back every day for the cleaning of the other spaces of the home. And I'm trying to get my home tour, you guys, video ready, and I was aiming for January 1st, but we're gonna see how that plays out. I may have to combine some of the spaces because I was still planning on getting these videos up and moving before today. But your girl is back, and I'm just slowly weaning myself back in, but we're gonna take still some of our other pre-recorded content if I can get it dropped. I know the Christmas stuff is already going to be a no-go, you guys, because we literally missed all of the Christmas season. So, but make sure you stay tuned, and two, make sure you stay on the lookout because I do have some new information that I will be bringing to you guys very shortly about what's going to be going on here at the channel, what we're doing for not only the Glam Queen of DIY, but the Glam Queen of Decor. I'm going to condense the channels down, you guys, to probably 2, either 3, but they're going to be specifically niche focus. So make sure you stay tuned with that. And I do hope that my after Christmas 2022 living room tour did give you some inspiration as well. You can see I kept it kind of simple. I actually minimized it a whole lot to you guys, but we went with that white and green theme. So I hope you enjoyed what I created. Drop me a comment if you're liking the after Christmas 2022 look. And once again, you guys, thank you so much for all of your prayers, your love and support. Thank you guys so very much. And two, family, please don't forget, if you're not a family member of the Glam Queen brand, make sure you do subscribe to the Glam Queen of DIY, the Glam Queen of Decor, and Glam Queen blogs. I'm going to drop those links down in the description. Make sure you do hit the bell twice so you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. And if you're not getting our videos, make sure you check out each channel about page to see what days that we do upload content. And once again, thank you for rocking out with your girl. Now, if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.